today we are back with another video. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Like maybe we could do this. Like, ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Like do this, and we all like. Okay.
No.
So, by the looks of things, what are we doing today, guys?
We're making hand sanitizer.
Homemade hand sanitizer.
That's right. As you all know, the stores are sold out of like everything we need.
Everything.
Like everything. I mean, even rubbing alcohol.
7-Eleven?
We went to 7-Eleven and lucked up and bought rubbing alcohol, which is 70%. And they saying as long as the alcohol is at least 70%, that it's good to go. Aloe vera. We could not find the aloe vera gel, so we decided to make the.
Liquid?
I think it's.
What do you think it tastes like?
I think it's an inner gel fillet.
Is this apple juice or something?
They say you can drink this. I don't know, but I see a lot of people on YouTube.
Yeah,
using
it's
this.
Drinkable.
Yes, but we're not drinking it. But we're gonna do what we can to make hand sanitizer out of it. Saya just showed the things we found at Walmart to make it in.
The grab and go bags.
And
containers.
Take the containers out and show. Yeah, that's alcohol, Papa.
And else we found oil.
Essential oil. Basically, it's just to give your sanitizer a scent. I couldn't find no type of mint, and so we went with the coconut. And so we're gonna add this oil to our sanitizer once it's done. And
wait, Mama, did they have strawberry?
See how it smells. Strawberry. I don't know.
Pineapple.
And then so we have pink, purple, blue, and
green,
like
turquoise.
Yeah.
That matches my toothpaste.
Get Papa blue because you like turquoise. Sorry.
I want blue.
What about Daddy?
We all gonna share it throughout the family. We pretty much just doing this to see how it will come out. But I see that most people who use this, they got bottles that you spray. And once we got home, my daughter was saying that we should have got those bottles, but it's okay. We for now, this will help. But at the end of the day, washing your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. They say
use soap and hand sanitizer.
Yep, sing happy birthday. That's like the best way to go. But you know, sanitizer does come in handy, so especially when we out on the go. So we're just gonna see how it is. Don't judge us, you guys.
Nope.
Okay, go ahead and unscrew y'all lid.
Okay.
Can I pour
and you have to do.
Wait, Mom, can these be cold too?
It's cold.
It say refrigerated after you open it, but that's if you drink it. We're not drinking it.
No way. I don't
so we all gonna help each other and pour all the alcohols into this.
Okay.
We're gonna do half alcohol with that and half of this.
Alcohol stinks, so
it smells good actually. So size your pour a bottle in there, and then Papa here. You get the pour bottle.
Ooh, that smells good.
Sorry, go pour your bottle in the measuring cup.
Me and Papa get 3 to pour in.
Yeah, 3. Well, I think.
Well, I want to pour one. Don't be trying to leave Mommy out.
Okay.
No, don't spill it.
Okay.
Keep it on camera so they can see. Slowly. It's no race. It's no race against time at all.
Sorry, can I do yours again?
Okay, wait. We probably don't need all of them because we got to do half aloe vera.
Oh, let me do some.
So that's the last one. Go ahead, Papa. Pour it all.
You got the other one?
Don't judge us, you guys. We trying our best.
Wait, how much magic is it on?
Put those to the side. Well, it's fine. We basically got
2.5
cup, 2 2/3 cups.
2 2/3.
Yeah.
2
cup.
2/3.
One moment, which is 600 milliliters.
Yeah.
My teacher
Hold it.
never told me that. Oh my gosh,
I'm sorry.
That's so splashy. Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
You got it on my glove.
It was stank.
Go.
It smells like alcohol. Smell it. It's alcohol. We can't. It's alcohol, Mom. We can't drink it.
Ooh.
Smell it.
And as you see,
it's yellow.
It's forming like it got the look of sanitizer. Saja, hold on to this. Don't let it spill.
It's alcohol. It smells like alcohol. Smell it, Mom.
Yeah, it's alcohol.
One moment. We need a spoon to stir. Sai, hold on to it.
Guys, one moment. My mom's gonna get a spoon.
No.
Who wants to drink alcohol? Nobody.
Ready?
Oh, hurricane.
Hurricane.
So you could do some stirs.
I could do some
And
stir.
then, yeah, let Papa do a few after you. And also, as you guys see, we are in our pajamas. It is 1 o'clock in the morning.
Going
Stir
on
slow.
2.
And it's actually 1:30 in the morning.
1:30.
1:30.
And yeah,
1:30.
1:31.
everybody
Oh,
It's still up.
showered and put on their PJs.
Look at the bubbles.
Okay, so I stir slowly. And we added
Orbeez.
coconut oil
Wow.
Orbeez.
just for the smell. It's an essential oil.
Guys, it looks like
Coconut.
Orbeez.
Smell it, silent. See how it smells. Do it smell like coconut?
Let me
No.
Let me smell
Does it
it.
smell like alcohol still?
Alcohol, yes, my throat.
Oh, strong.
Alcohol,
So
bro.
I want to mix this one.
Hold on.
Slow.
Oh,
Stir it.
Orbeez.
Yeah, it's starting to
Can I
look
mix this one,
like
Hold
please?
on, wait.
Ooh.
something is forming.
Like alcohol. Everything smells
Well,
like.
that's good that the alcohol is overpowering because that's what we need.
No,
still alcohol.
everything smells like alcohol.
My nose burns.
Except for this.
Go ahead. Orbeez.
Slowly. Don't splash
Oh
it.
my god, it feels
That's what it looks like.
so heavy.
And they said to wear gloves.
Yeah.
So, I see a lot of people wearing gloves.
Don't splash it.
Here's I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Scared?
No. I just don't want to do it because my hands
Okay.
are tired.
Take the spoon out. And now we're
Ooh.
going to apply it
God, just
into
put it down
the,
here.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Why don't on the couch?
containers. And it looks thick, you guys. It's watery though, but
It's okay.
it'll come in handy. So
These
we're just
things
going to
are
fill
big.
it to the first line.
Ooh, that's cool.
And as you guys see, it's forming bubbles.
I'll pour you, okay?
Okay. Pull mine,
It's
please.
forming
And I-
bubbles,
Pour that.
which is
Sorry,
what we
do
want.
not spill it.
Pull slowly. And then
Okay.
we
Don't
apply
pour it
the
out. I want you to
tops
spill it
and it
because it's
opens like
spillable.
this and
Don't
has a little
pour it.
squeeze container. And we're going to show
Don't
you guys
spill it.
before we're done how it looks when we apply it to our hands.
Let me do it.
Don't pour it.
Slowly. Help each other.
Ooh, we
Okay.
need a bigger
Where's the
container.
other? You could, okay. So
I want
basically
some.
this is how it looks. You show them how you guys look after. And
Oh.
now we're going to
That was
remove our
Daddy's.
gloves and apply it to our hands to show you guys.
Yeah. Ooh, my hand is sweating. Oh, my hand got a little wet.
And this is how it will come out. Pour out the bottle.
Slowly, because I don't know how fast. It's like little drips, but
Like you can squeeze it to make it come out.
a lot faster. You can just rub it in.
Ooh, oh
It
good.
smells like hand sanitizer. We should have added some real hand sanitizer in with this.
Oh,
Just some hand sanitizer in with it.
this
It
one.
smells,
It's sticky.
it's a little sticky, but
Oh yeah. It's a little sticky, guys.
But where's the real hand sanitizer?
But
I wanna
hey,
add it.
Yeah.
the good thing is it got the oil in here.
I'm just
So
gonna get the real one.
it'll keep your hand
So I go get it. It's
nice and
It's
moist.
over there, on the table.
Daddy has it.
It's on the table. Oh, Daddy has it. Daddy has it.
Now I'm gonna keep my eyes out for the aloe vera gel,
I will wear a gel.
and we will be making it again. So
Oh,
stay tuned
yeah.
for
Okay,
that.
I'm gonna add a squirt of this in there.
Here's side, mate.
But don't put this in there though, because we don't want to mess that up.
You have to hold it straight. Straight, yeah.
Let me see. They trying to put the last little bit of hand sanitizer we have, you guys, into their homemade sanitizer.
To make
Mommy,
it like,
Mommy,
you know,
take the top
big.
off. And then
Ah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
this Cardi B
What?
came down with the C.
Cardi B came down with the C.
No, I said Cardi B came down with the B.
That's
Oh,
not working out.
Oh, I'm sorry. You could do
I
that
don't
better
know.
because it's not working out. Mommy, I
No,
got.
so I don't dump it because daddy really needs that. So don't even put it in there.
Mommy, I got
Don't
green.
worry about it.
I swapped the green.
Close it back. Well, you guys, that is pretty much all for this video. Wasn't nothing too big, too major to be done or explained. I'm sure you guys seen enough and heard enough about all of this madness that's going on. I'll be glad when it's over.
Oh.
Yeah, so we need the aloe vera gel, which gives it the texture of being like really thick, like not so watery. What we'll do, we probably will refrigerate it and see if that helps it to become thicker than what it is.
Yep.
And yeah, so hopefully you guys are out there staying safe, protecting yourself to the best of your ability.
This is my new granddaughter.
And constantly washing your hands throughout the day.
Mine is thick.
And
you
wearing a
guys,
mask and gloves if you do have to go out.
and guys, if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
This dude says subscribe.
And give this video a thumbs up.
Give this video a thumbs up. And let's get this video to at least 20 likes. And we'll do a part 2 of this using the aloe vera gel if we can ever look up and find it somewhere. But everywhere we went today was sold out, and I was just tired of trying to find aloe vera gel and like a 98% alcohol.
Put the rest in here.
Hell no, now read the stuff for Craig father come out here.
Be mixed up all
Thank you guys
together.
for tuning in with us on another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Give
Hit
this
that
video,
notification bell.
hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. We truly appreciate all the love and support from our real ones. You know who you are.
And leave a comment.
And leave a comment down below if you guys ever made homemade hand sanitizer and you have any advice to give us, like what we could have did or what we shouldn't have did. And that'll help us along the way as well. Sanitizer, are you okay?
I'm playing with the little bubbles.
I think she tired, y'all.
And guys, if you pour this into that, it'll look like Orbeez.
And when you put it onto your hands, it's really smooth, and you can smell like the coconut oil in there, and it keeps your hands like really moist.
But
you know, usually hand sanitizer dry your hand out.
No, but this smell like, but all of them smell like
keeping it moist.
alcohol.
It smells like alcohol, but you can smell the coconut.
Yeah, I could actually.
You can smell it. You can't look. You can smell it.
I can't. Mine. I can't smell mine.
Whatever.
Maybe because you don't
Just
got
has
the
to be
skin.
somebody who don't smell it.
You know what?
Not too much. Don't over oil
I do want
because it's
to.
already watery.
Mine too.
I don't know, y'all. We in the house quarantining, and we really ain't got much to do.
No,
So
we don't.
we trying to
We're
make the best of our
God, it's
days
so
and
boring
nights
in this
in the
house.
house
We
together. Anything but getting on each other's nerves.
it's nothing to do with me.
This could be like a type of oil
playing
too.
Fortnite.
It is an oil for your hair and
GTA.
body, so save some of that for me. I will be using that in me and my
Minecraft.
daughter's hair when I wash
Fortnite.
our hair, even my son.
Oh,
Mrs.
watch this.
Pac-Man.
Watch this. Watch this.
In Mario Kart, Fortnite.
It is truly past their
Bye.
bedtime.
Bruh, stop.
Okay, y'all, that's all it for this video. I gotta get them away from me, get to my bed, cause bye, y'all.
Okay.
Good night. Bye. Good night to our people.
God, good night, good morning,
Peace,
or,
love,
or good
and
afternoon,
hair
wherever
grease.
you're from.
Stay safe, stay blessed, and
Stay away from this stuff.
Stay 6 feet away from everybody.
God,
Except for your
good
family members.
No, it's
good
just
morning,
them
good
two.
afternoon, wherever you're from.
That's right.
Afternoon,
He said it right.
Superman.
Bye, guys.
Y'all can't stop me. I come too far and I ain't stopping now. Y'all can't hold me down.